This video is an overview of the Approved Support Contact ASC support portal in Brightspace community. Over the course of this video, we will go over how to access the portal, how to create support cases and service requests, and the various parts of the portal. To access the portal, log into Brightspace community as an ASC. Navigate to Resources, Optimize, and click ASC Support Portal. Upon arriving in the portal, your default view is the Cases tab with My Open Cases selected as the filter. Select a filter from the drop-down menu. You can sort the order of the table by clicking the up or down arrows beside the table headings. You can also filter results by searching for a term using the magnifying glass. In addition to open cases, you can view escalated cases, known issues, and service requests by clicking those options. Click My ASC Team to view the table with your ASC team members and their contact information. Click My D2L Team to view the table with your D2L support team. You can email a D2L team member by clicking their name. Click My Org to view information about your organization. The table shows your org URL, deployment wave, admin entitlement, and end user entitlement. To create a case, click Create a Case. To create a support case, select Support Case. This is the default option when creating a case. Enter the case information into the corresponding fields. In addition to the summary and description of the case should include information on how to reproduce the issue, as well as the tool, impact, and urgency. When finished, click Submit. Note the Case Created Successfully message when the case is created. When you enter details into the Summary field, suggested solutions appear on the side. Click an entry to navigate to that article to view information in a new browser tab. To create a service request, click Service Request. Choose a service request from the drop-down, and then enter the information into the corresponding fields. Which fields are available depend on the type of service request selected. When finished, click Submit. As with a support case, you are notified when the service request is created. You can view the details of a case by clicking it. Once created, details of a case, other than attachments or contacts, cannot be updated. However, you can leave comments in the Case Comments field. Once you've entered your comment, click Post Comment. The comment appears below. To attach a document to the case, navigate to Attachments and either drag and drop a file or click Browse. Once your file or files are selected, click Upload Attachments. You can delete an attachment by clicking the trash can icon. To add a contact to a case, select one or more contacts from the Select menu. Click the plus sign icon to add your contact or contacts. You can remove a contact by clicking the trash can icon. To resolve a case, click Mark as Resolved. Enter a comment into the dialog, and then click OK. Note the Case Status has been marked as Closed message when the case is resolved.